So here we're given in question 6, we need to find the measure of the unknown side, and that's here, b. And we're supposed to use the cosine ratio. And cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, remember from SOHCAHTOA. And so cosine then is adjacent over hypotenuse, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. And problem here are for angle C, our adjacent side is the 21 because it's, remember, opposite would be 27. The hypotenuse is B because it's the longest side in the right angle triangle, and it is also opposite angle B, opposite the right angle, which is angle B. So what we have to do, since the question asks us to use the cosine ratio to find the measure of angle C, then what we have to do is determine the value of B. And the only way we can do that is use Pythagorean theorem. So this is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. And this is, it'll be B squared is equal to 27 squared plus 21 squared. And don't get this unknown B confused with the B in the formula. So B squared is equal to 27 squared is 729 plus 21 squared is 441 which is 1170, and we take the square root of 1170 and it's 34.2. So B squared is equal to 1170. The square root is approximately equal to, I didn't clear that, 34.2. And so this is the value of our hypotenuse. And so we sub that in for h. And so cosine of C is equal to 21, which is our adjacent side, over 34.2. And angle C then is equal to the inverse cosine of 21 divided by 34.2. And don't do any operations until, or any operations with your calculator until you've gotten to the very end, and let your calculator do all the rounding. So here, this is going to be 21 divided by 34.2, and that is 0.61, a whole bunch of decimal places. Don't clear it, just now put in inverse cosine, and it comes out to be approximately 52 degrees. The other way you could have done this is use tan of the original question. If you did tan of C, and this would have been the easiest way to do the question, but it asked you, remember tan is opposite over adjacent, so this is 27 over 21, so angle C would be equal to tan -1 and 27 divided by 21. Now you didn't have to do this, but just to show you that there is an easier way to do this question. So 27 divided by 21 is 1.8 0.28, blah, blah, blah. And the inverse tan, again, is 52 degrees. So you can do this a couple ways, but just watch what the question's asking you. Ask you to use the cosine ratio to find the angle, a measure of angle C.